Hi students, today we are going to study the second most important physical division of India. This is Indus Ganga Brahmaputra Plain, or it is also known as Indo-Gangetic Plain. The plain of northern India formed by three rivers such as Indus River, Ganga River and Brahmaputra rivers, and also its tributaries. The word tributary means the streams that flow into the main river are streams. The source of Indus River is Kailash Range, about 100 km of the Mansarovar Lake. This lake is lies at present time in the territory of the China. There are five tributaries of the Indus River such as Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Beas. The source of Ganga River is Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayan region. It enters in the plain area of Haridwar district of Uttarakhand. The main tributaries of the river Ganga are Yamuna, Son, Ramganga, Ghagra, Gomti, Gandak, Kosi. All are the tributaries of the river Ganga. The third main river of the Brahmaputra river. It is also known as Sangpo in Tibet region. It rises from Mansarovar Lake of China, as already know. Its main tributaries are Dihang, Dibang, Lohit, Tista, Dhanson and Manas. All are the tributaries of the Brahmaputra river. This Indo-Gangetic plain extended for 3200 km between the mouth of Ganga and Indus. Now we come to the next point, the width. The width of the Indus, the width of the Indo-Gangetic plain is about 150 to 300 km. Now, the longitudinal extent of the Ganga plain is Satluj to river Ganga delta is about 2400 km. Ganga delta means Sundarban delta, that is lies in West Bengal. And now the question is, what is delta? Delta is a wetland area at the mouth of the river such as Ganga delta, Godavari delta, Krishna delta, Kaveri delta, Mahanadi delta. All are the major deltas that lies to the coastal areas, eastern coastal areas of India. The Ganga plain is about 280 km wide near Allahabad and approximately 160 km wide near Rajmahal Hill. Now, first off, try to understand where is Rajmahal Hill. Rajmahal Hill lies at present time in Jharkhand state, and the width of the Indo-Gangetic Plain in Assam is approximately 90 to 100 kilometer. There are different relief features of the Indo-Gangetic Plain. We try to explain all these regions. First region is Bhabar region. It is lies the foothill areas of the Shivalik mountain system. It is 8 to 16 kilometer wide. It is a porous rock beds due to the porosity of the rocks. River disappear and underground for some time. This region is not much suitable for agriculture point of view. Next region, Tarai region. Tarai region lies south of the Bhabhar areas. It is 20 to 30 kilometer in width. It is composed of fine alluvial or alluvium soil. It is Marsai area. And now next region is Bhangar region. Bhangar region is a highland area composed of old alluvium. It is away above the level of the flood or river water. Rarely river water reaches here. This is not much suitable for agriculture point of view, but at present time, due to the irrigation facility, this is utilizing as a good crop. Now next region is Khadar region. Khadar, what do you mean by Khadar? Khadar is a region of new deposition of the alluvial soil. Here flooded water reaches mostly each and every year. It is flooded almost every year. Intensive agriculture practiced here. It is very fertile soil. Now you have a question, that is, what is intensive agriculture? Intensive agriculture means crop grown for food requirements on small land holdings, and it is performed traditionally or traditional way or conventional way. Conventional or traditional means the use of very less use of modern method. Now come to the next region, Barkhan region. It is a crescent shape or half moon shaped sand dunes found in deserted areas such as Rajasthan desert, Barmer, Jaisalmer districts, etc. Its height is normally 30 to 35 meter and width more than 400 meter. Next region is Barind region. Barind region is called also Barind tract. This tract lies in at present time West Bengal and Bangladesh. It is reddish and yellowish soil here found. Rice is the major crops of this tract. Jute crop also grown in this region. At present time, Bangladesh is the first producer of the jute crop and our India is second position in the production of the jute crop. Now, next region is Bhuar region. Bhuar region is Upper Yamuna and Ganga Doab region. Now, try to understand what is Doab. Doab means the land that is lies between two rivers, that is called Doab. It lies in the western and southern western part of the Uttar Pradesh state. There are many important cities located in this plain area such as Meerut, Aligarh, Ghaziabad, etc. All are the cities located in this region. This is most populous region and here soil is most fertile and agriculture activity is performed at large scale in this area. We can say it is economically more rich in comparison of the other part of the Indo-Gangetic plain. In next video, we will study about the peninsular plateau of India, that is third most important physical division of India.